Welcome home, friend! This stunning family home just hit the market in Saginaw. This one-story home features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and over 1,300 square feet of living space. This property boasts pride of ownership with upgrades galore featuring fresh paint, new floors in the living room, and new baseboards, and it has been meticulously maintained for you. The kitchen comes equipped with white painted cabinets, granite counters, and stainless steel appliances. You're going to enjoy the holidays in this living room. It has tall ceilings and is centered around a wood-burning fireplace. This fall, entertain in style by the large new pergola and enjoy cool breezy afternoons in your large yard. Located a minute away from main streets in the highly coveted Eagle Mountain ISD, this home is zoned for Bryson Elementary School, Creekview Middle School, and Boswell High School. It won't last long, so call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin and Margie Real Estate.